Hi, my name is Andy. I'm here to tell you about the terrific new Yamaha TF digital mixing consoles. But first, a history lesson. Yamaha's first digital mixer, the DMP7, was released back in 1987. Since then, the company has produced more than 25 different models, which have become industry standards for a wide variety of applications. From keyboard submixers to home studios, from local festivals to world stadium tours, with all sizes of arts venues, broadcast facilities and places of worship in between. Yamaha's digital mixers have provided huge advances in audio quality, reliability and functionality. Think about the mixers you've used in the past. Maybe they were analog. I bet you wished for more channels, more auxes, more versatile EQ, and I bet you were always running out of compressors and effects. Not to mention the hassle of patching all the jacks. And then, when someone else used the desk, all your settings were lost forever. Maybe you've had a go with some digital mixers. You might have got lost in the baffling array of on-screen functions. You might have been confused by the layers. Or maybe you never had a chance to get to grips with the complicated EQs, dynamics and effects functions. That's why we've made the TF digital mixing consoles. They've got all the amazing features and the sound quality you would expect from an expensive professional digital mixer, but there's a whole new level of ease about their operation. We call this touch flow operation, and it allows you to work more smoothly and quickly without needing hours of training. Above the motorized faders, you see a multi-touch screen. The design and operation is really intuitive, and it feels like you're actually shaping the sound with your hand. TF is bursting with new features to speed up the setup, the sound check, and the show mixing. And it contains a whole new library of practical presets. I'm going to tell you about them in another video, so you can see how impressive they will make the sound engineer seem to the band and the venue owner. TF mixers can easily be connected to other devices such as PCs and Macs, tablets and smartphones, so the touch flow operation can be continued through every corner of the concert hall. No matter which device, the UI works the same way, anytime, anywhere. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how TF makes a sound engineer's job more efficient and fulfilling. We'll see how the touch flow operation saves you time and gives you a great sounding result quickly.